Look at this tangled yarn. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Audrey and I'm the person behind Audrey's Crocheting. So it's been a while since I've made any video, literally 2 years now.
What?
We are going into the year 2026, so depends on when you're watching this. Happy New Year! So yeah, for the first video of 2026, I honestly have a few videos in mind. My husband wanted me to make a sweater, but I'm gonna make another video about that because this video is about cleaning up a little bit and starting the new year. I want to clean up my bag of used yarn, tangled yarn, and any yarn that I already use and anything. I shoved all those yarn into this bag and it is now a tangled mess and very messy. And I just got my yarn winder back. My mother-in-law bought it to me. So yes, now I have a yarn winder to help wind up all my yarn. And let me show you what's inside this bag. This is my yarn winder that I left behind and my mother-in-law helped me bring it here to me. Here it is, finally after a year or so. And this is my shelf with my yarn. It's a bit messy. My whole office space is actually really messy right now. During the Christmas time, it got wrecked. People put stuff in it. People moved stuff in it. It is just a mess, a huge mess. So I'm not gonna show that, but I am gonna show you this bag as I promised. Luckily, there are a few yarns that are much more easy to wind because they are still like in these skeins, just these little messy skeins that can easily be wound up into little balls. But there are also a huge mess of tangled yarn here. Look at this tangled yarn. It is a huge. It is huge. There are more inside. Like, do not ask me how it got tangled like this. I do not know. I just put yarn inside. Whenever I need to use the yarn, I just take out whatever yarn I want to use inside. And then we have this. So I'm first going to wind all of this up because this is much more easier. And then I'm going to try to untangle this as much as I can and try to wind up as much yarn as I can as well. So yeah, that is what this video will be about. Let's see how many yarn I have in here and how much of this tangled yarn I can save. Okay, I got this basket here and we're gonna pour all of this one in here and see what we're dealing with. Okay, the bag is empty now. There's nothing here and this is what we're dealing with. There are a lot of things in here. Unfinished projects, like projects I don't want to deal with anymore. I need to find a place to put all this because I don't want to deal with these projects anymore. Oh, and a random perfume inside. Thankfully, from what I can see, there are a lot of this that I can just take it out and wind it all up like this. And then we'll deal with this like I said. So this is the yarn winder. You know what I like about this yarn winder is like it has this to hook on the table and it can literally hook on any table of any size, and I really like that. It's so easy to work with. So I'm gonna use this table to wind up the yarn because I know I'm going to need a lot of space. Okay, it's nice and tight now, so I can wind my yarn better. Okay, update. These are all the mini skeins of yarn that I found in this basket. There are no more mini skeins leftover yarn. There are only this tangled mess and maybe some projects that maybe I want to see if I can salvage the yarn. But yeah, these are all the mini skeins I found. I did not realize I had like so many oranges in there that I did not use, the purples. So yeah, I am for sure going to use all of this up before I use any new yarns or buy any new yarns. So yeah, now it's time to tangle this horrible mess and see if I can salvage anything. Hey guys, so it's been a few days since I recorded the last scene and I've been going at it off camera. And also I went through my whole office space to look for any other yarns that I need to wind up. So I have everything here right now. And like I said, it's been a few days, so I did take some rolls out to do a little project here. So I'm gonna put it over here for now. And this is what I have with all my yarns that I wind up over here. These are all my yarns that I wind up. There are 2 layers as you can see over here. And yeah, this is a mix of a lot of yarn. I have the fluffy, chunky yarn. I don't know what it's called. I forgot what it's called. I have the 8-ply yarn. And I have my regular yarn that I always use, which is the 5-ply milk cotton yarn. And yes, I have it all here. And for the scrap yarns that I was winding with all the tangled yarn, and this is what I got. These 5 rolls are what I got of the tangled yarns that was in the bag, and also random yarn that I found around this office. So I have 5 rolls of this scrap yarn, which is very colorful. So I've got around 5 rolls of this, and yeah, maybe I'll do something with it, but I'm not sure yet. At least I've wind up all of my yarn and I have dealt with the tangled yarn, as you guys saw. So yes, I'm very happy that all of my yarn are now in one place that I can see, and it's not like tangled up or anything. I am going to use all of this yarn up before I start using any other new yarns or ordered any new yarns. But for now, this is a done thing in the year 2026. I finally cleaned up all of my yarns and I am very happy with how nice it looks. So thank you for watching this video. It is a very short and simple video, but it is a nice start to the year 2026. And I hope that I am able to post a lot more videos this year because I really want to get back into making videos and vlogging. So bye!